Okay, so to perform many of the operations that's available in R for data science, you should install the Tidyverse package. So currently I'm working on the data transformation using Dplyr, but it's necessary to install Tidyverse on your Rstudio. So to make that installation, just a quick, so to install, in fact, maybe we can, okay, so just install Tidyverse. Now, I have it already installed, so I'll probably reinstall a new instance. So Tidyverse, okay, and it prompts me with Tidyverse, so install. And the effect of, by virtue of installing Tidyverse, the main benefit of that would be that what it permits is that we can make use of ggplots and some other important libraries. So to see those packages, right, we put in library and then tidyverse, right? So easy install and load Tidyverse. The Tidyverse is a set of packages that work in harmony because they share common data representations. API design. The package is designed to make it easy to install multiple Tidyverse packages. Now these would include ggplot, Dplyr, par, and we'll see in a moment, I think stringer as well. Okay, so ggplot, tibble, tidyr, readr, par, Dplyr, stringer, forcats. Okay, and these packages we'll use in a lot of the basic data manipulation, data visualization.